On December 21st, 1936, the German concept of a schnellbomber that could outrun most fighter planes took to the air when the prototype Junkers Ju-88 made its first flight, achieving a speed of 360 miles per hour. Today we look at the major belligerents of World War II and their most produced two-engine bomber, leaving you to tell us which one was best. Germany built 15,183 Junkers Ju-88 bombers. Britain built 11,461 Vickers Wellington bombers. The USSR built 11,430 Petliakov P-2 bombers. The USA built 9,816 North American B-25 Mitchell bombers. Finally, Japan built 2,435 Mitsubishi G4M bombers.